All right, guys, we're down here right after sunrise, back down the Ohio River. Beautiful fishing weather, about 48 degrees this morning. Hoping this, cooler water will start turning the fish on. As cold as it is, Jay's still wearing shorts.
Can't keep me down.
That's right. Because legs like that, you can't hide them. And
gotta do some squats.
And we're gonna get in the water here and see what we can pick up.
Can't keep me down. Had COVID last 2 weeks, no joke, people. But I'm ready to go. Tops. I don't know the whole Bill Dance theme song.
What Bill Dance today? Gone fishing.
Gone fishing. Was your first kiss to Bill Dance, wasn't it?
Right.
Watching Bill Dance.
Exactly. Oh, nice.
He's down deep. Yeah, stay on there. He's jumping. I had a good hook set on him.
Got him on that weight bait, huh?
Yeah. He's down 12 feet of water. First fish of the day, y'all. Glad to be back. I'll take it. Small one, but I'll take it. 52 degrees. Oh, there's some rolling now. Go back in, boy. Let me get you. Let me get your granddaddy.
Got him.
Told you. Yeah, told you. Fucking told you guys. Good one.
All right, not bad, not bad. For my first fish of the day. Okay.
Yeah, hold it right there. That's perfect. And then
oh, fish. Small one, but he's a fish. He did not get hooked in the mouth. Easy release. Wow. Oh, there he is.
There he is.
you got him.
Yep.
See?
I wasn't even reeling. I was using the boat to troll the lure.
I know. I knew it was a freaking stop here. Because I put it back in. Might need no more trolling, man. Trolling weed beds.
Little guy, but the first fish in about an hour, so better than nothing.
There we go.
He's not a hog, but he's definitely nicer. Oh, yeah, he's the nicest one today so far. Jay, I'm gonna need that net.
I'm working on it. I'm working on them.
Oh, yeah. That's a nice one.
Wear him out, wear him out.
He hit as soon as the lure hit the water.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's a good one. Let him wear out. We'll try to not take it from the rock.
Now this is a nice smallmouth bass. That's a really nice bass.
That's a good one.
Oh yeah, that's a pig. Yes. Woohoo!
They say they grow bigger in the river. We're finding out
Finally
today.
got a nice one.
Finding out today. Here, take them up there. Get a good picture of them.
Woo.
I'm gonna,
That's a solid 3 pounds. That's a nice fish.
I'm gonna go up with there, cruise down again.
Coffee.
Yeah, it's alright. Stuff is coming out a little bit.
There we go.
There's a pig.
That's what we've been waiting on. That's what we've been coming down for, you know?
Oh yeah.
They knew they were here. 3, 4, 5 pounders. Ooh, there's another couple good ones over there by that tree.
3.06.
Nice.
3.08, a little over 3. Woo! That is a just fat, beautiful fish. Just like my fishing partner over there, fat and beautiful.
Festively plumped. I keep telling you that. Festively plumped.
There he goes.
Nice.
Shit.
Oh, that's a big one. That's
Shit.
a pike or something.
I'm caught here. Fuck.
Jay, unhook the camera.
Oh, wait, he's deep hooked. Hold on.
That's a northern pike.
Go ahead. I know, I saw it.
Oh, it's a musky.
Musky.
It's a musky.
Bring him back.
I'm trying, dude. He's doing what he wants to do right now.
Okay. All right. I just want to make sure I'm not running around here.
I'm letting him do what he wants to do right now. He's like, yeah, he's just being lethargic.
He's head up. Musky on the river today. And he already came unhooked. Oh, big boy. Oh, yeah, you're pissed off, aren't you?
I think we. Yeah.
Wow. Nice.
Tell you what, as much as he's thrashing, I don't want to be a pansy about it, but I'm going to use the grippers on him because I don't want to rip up my hand. I mean, we can measure him, but I mean, let's guess him at 30, 32 inches maybe.
You cracked, you hurt their spine, right?
Well, all their organs could shift if you. Oh shit, he came right off the gripper. Oh, he's here. Let me get his tail. Make sure he's okay. He looks ready.
Nice.
Small one. A little smaller than the last one.
Supposed to be mine.
There, we're good. I gotta get the plan. I don't know how much this guy's gonna make the cut.
Better never lose that lure.
Right?
Never.
There we go.
Got another one, finally. I can't even take credit for Rick's fish.
Did you get all that? All right, guys, that was an interesting day on the river. It started off really slow, then the bite got really hot for about an hour, and then shut down again. It's been pretty slow for a couple hours, so we're gonna call it, but some nice smallmouth bass, and then a surprise musky, which made the trip pretty fun.
I only got one smallie today, so I'm not disappointed. It was a good day, but I got to do better next time. I got to actually show up. I was driving the boat, so that was important.
I got bit by a musky.
War wound. No.
So it's
Thanks for tuning in. If you like these videos, hit the subscribe button.